Hello student, welcome into NPC online classes. So dear student, in last class we discussed about male and female reproductive organs of plant. So dear student, after the discussion of male and female reproductive organs of plant, now especially we are going to depth in the male reproductive organ of plants. Simply male reproductive organ is known as stamen, and stamen divided into mainly three parts: filament, connective or anther. In previous class I told you that many microsporangium are present in the anther. Simply it is transverse section of anther. In this anther here is 4 microsporangium are present. These are microsporangium. These 4 microsporangium are present or situated in the diathecous anther. Diathecous anther, this type of anther contains 2 anther lobe. Now, structure of microsporangium. So what is the structure of microsporangium? Please look the carefully. Here is transverse section of anther lobe, and it is this part is known as microsporangium 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the structure of microsporangium, 4 layers are present. These are 4 layers. Outermost layer is known as epidermis. First, outermost layer is epidermis. Second layer is known as endothecium. Third layer is known as middle layer, and fourth layer is known as tapetum. So I can say microsporangium is surrounded by 4 layers, in which outermost layer is epidermis, second layer is endothecium, third layer is middle layer, and last is tapetum. So it is first layer and unilayer. It is single layer and called epidermis. I repeat, it is unilayered, single layer and called epidermis. Second layer is also unilayered and called endothecium. It is known as endothecium. So simply आपसे पे पूछे, anyone ask you that what is the function of epidermis? Epidermis का काम क्या है? Then epidermis is outermost layer, and always outermost layer helps into the protection. तो ये क्या करती है? प्रोटेक्शन करती है, हेल्प करती है. What is the second function or function of endothecium, second layer? Simply in the endothecium cells, a special compound is present which is cellulose. Or you know very well, cellulose is a hygroscopic. Hygroscopic, it means it absorbs the humidity. नमी का क्या करता है? अवशोषण करता है. But some cells of endothelium not contain cellulose. उनमें क्या नहीं होता? Cellulose नहीं होता. And these cells are known as stomonium. So simply, what is stomonium? These are the cells of endothelium and not contain cellulose. In this condition, stomonium or endothelium helps into the dehiscence of एंथर. एंथर को फटने में हेल्प करने का काम किसका है? एंडोथीसियम का. Especially in the endothelium, I repeat, cellulose is found or present, and cellulose is a hygroscopic, so it absorbs the water. So in the dry condition, it helps into the dehiscence of anther, especially dehiscence of anther completed at the stomonium part, and stomonium cells are these cells in which cellulose is not found. After endothelium, these are third part, it is third part or third layer, but it is multi-layered. आप देख रहे होंगे यहाँ पर बहुत सारी ये क्या है? layers है, and it is known as middle layer. Especially middle layer helps into the, it is not proper work, helps into the nourishment to developing microscope. It helps into the not proper work, and it is temporary layer. It means it is dissolved into the mature anther. After third layer, fourth layer is tapetum. Simply, it is microsporangium, and these are fourth type of cell or fourth layer, and these cells are known as tapetum cell. In the tapetum cell, nucleus is big, and these have dense cytoplasm, In the earlier stage, in the initial stage, these tapetum cells are uninucleated, but at the maturation time, they become binucleated or multinucleated. I repeat, binucleated and multinucleated. Simple, here is a question: why this cell become multinucleated or binucleated at the maturation time? Then your answer is, this cell undergoes into cell division. During the cell division, two processes are completed, in which one is karyokinesis, division of nucleus, and another is cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm. If a cell undergoes into mitotic division and undergoes only into the karyokinesis, such type of cell become multinucleated. Karyokinesis is present, but cytokinesis was not found. Especially tapetum cells are of, again, two types. First, amoeboid tapetum, and second, secretory tapetum. What is amoeboid tapetum? Such of tapetum are found in few plants, and the inner layer of tapetum cell become dissolved, resulting in total cytoplasm of tapetum cell entered into the microsporangium. I repeat, inner wall of tapetum cell degenerate resultant total cytoplasm of tapetum cell entered into the microsporium for the providing nourishment. And this type of tapetum are present in typha. Now second is secretory tapetum. It acts as a gland. Like a gland secrete the special chemicals. So it secrete it is tapetum cell. It secrete, not degenerate, secrete the special chemicals inside to the microsporangium and they provide the nourishment. In maximum angiosperm plant, secretory tapetum cells are present or found. I repeat, in maximum angiosperm plant, secretory tapetum is present or found. Now next character of tapetum cell, especially in the secretory tapetum, it is secretory tapetum. Another lipid body is also present. Another lipid body is also present, which is called proubish body and made up by lipid. I repeat, in secretory tapetum, another structure is also present, which is called proubish body and made up by lipid. After some time, lipid surrounded by a special layer, which is called sporopollenin. Sporopollenin. So lipid surrounded by sporopollenin, and in this condition, this proubish body is converted into ubish body. Here is a very important question for examination. The central part of ubish body is made up by lipid and peripheral part of ubish body is made up by sporopollenin. These are the